Dear 6th standard students, welcome back to this video session of Maths Term 2. Now we are going to solve exercise 5.1 from a new chapter, Information Processing. Let us get into the session.
Look at this chapter 5, Information Processing. Listen, here we discuss the tree diagram. It is a picture which look like an upside down tree. Listen this upside down tree. Every node has one or two branches and the leaves are the numbers. The branching nodes have operations on them. It is called tree diagram. Listen, here the addition of three numbers means like this we can put the tree diagram. Listen, first exercise 5.1, first question. Convert the following numerical expressions into tree diagrams. Listen, first one, 8 plus 6 into 2. Listen, first operation is plus. Next, listen, in the bracket one operation is there. What is that? Multiplication. Now 8 into that multiplication, that numbers is what now? 6 and 2 here. First operation is plus, and what are the addition of numbers? That is 8 and 6 into 2. We have to put the operation in round. Next one, first operation is minus. Which two numbers? 9 and 2 into 3 again. So here one operation is there, that is multiplication. Which number is there? That is 2 and 3. That is the answer. First sum, third subdivision, 3 into 5 minus 4 divided by 2. Listen, 3 into 5, 4 divided by 2. The main operation is minus. We subtract this 2 brackets. Listen, in first bracket one operation is there. What is that? Multiplication. Put down. Which two number we want to multiply? That is 3 and 5. And now here in this bracket one operation is there, that is division. Which number we want to divide? 4 and 2. That is the answer. Next one, 2 into 4 into 2 into 8 divided by 2. Listen, we want to multiply this bracket and this bracket. So main operation is multiplication. Which one? Here one bracket is there and here one bracket. First this bracket, what is that? Here plus is there. So in this one bracket and 2, so that is the main operation. So that is plus. Which one? 2 into 4 and 2. We want to add this 2 numbers. Now here another bracket, 8 divided by 2. So here operation is division. Which number? 8 and 2. That is the answer. Fifth one, 6 plus 4 into 7 divided by 2 into 10 minus 5. Listen, the main operation is division. this bracket and this bracket. So listen, in this bracket and 7, it is in multiplication. So multiply that. What is that? 6 plus 4 and 7. How will you write 6 plus 4? Like this only, into 7, and here 2 into 10 minus 5. So that is the multiplication. Which number? 2 and 10 minus 5. Here one operation is there. So put into circle, and the number is 10 and 5. That is the answer here. Next, sixth one, 4 into 3 divided by 2 plus 8 into 5 minus 3. So main operation is plus. So this bracket now we have to solve. Here division. Which two number we want to divide? 4 into 3 and 2. So 4 into 3, how will you write that? Into, that is 4 and 3. Here 2. Now solve this bracket. 8 into 5 minus 3. We have to multiply which number? 8 and 5 minus 3. So multiplication, which number? 8 and 5 minus 3. How will you write that? There is one operation, no? Inside the circle, minus, and which number? 5 and 3. That is the answer.
Second sum, convert the following tree diagrams into numerical expression. Listen, in last sum they given the numerical expression. We have to draw the tree diagram. Now they given tree diagrams. From that we want to find out numerical expression. Listen, main operation is plus. Which one we have to add? That means 9 plus 8. That is the answer. Next answer, minus. We subtract that this expressions. Here 7 plus 6, here 5. So 7 plus 6 in bracket minus 5. Right? Next one. Subtract. Which one and which one? 8 plus 2 and 6 plus 1. So write down and within the bracket 8 plus 2, 6 plus 1. That is the answer. Next one. We subtract which one? 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 and 10 divided by 2. That is the answer. Third sum, convert the following algebraic expressions into tree diagrams. Convert the following algebraic expressions into tree diagrams. Listen, they given algebraic expressions. They given, listen, 10 into v. That is 10 is numbers and v is variable. That is the algebraic expression. You know that very well. So 10 into v. What is the relation between 10 and v means? That is multiplication. So listen, the first one. Multiplication, multiply which one and which one? 10 and v. That is the answer. Very easy now. Next one, listen, 3a minus b. We subtract that 3a and b. So how will you write that 3a? 3 and a in multiplication sign. So multiply 3 and a and b. Subtract that 3 into a and b. Next one, 5x plus y. Same procedure, we have to add the number 5x and y. So first main operation is plus. Which one? 5x. 5x in multiplication, no? So multiply 5 and x, and here y. Next one, fourth one, 20t into p. Here the main operation is multiplication. Which one? 20 into p. So here also multiplication, that is 20 and t. Here p. Next one, 2 into a plus b. Listen, 2 into this bracket, that means 2 into a plus b. Right? So first main operation is multiplication. So into which one and which one? 2 and a plus b. How will you write that? A plus b plus a and b. Next one, x into y minus y into x. Listen, here minus we have to subtract. Which one? X into y and y into z. X into y. So here into x and y, and here into which one and which y? Y and z. Next one, 4x plus 5y. Listen, same thing, but here they given into directly. Here that is understood. So plus which one? 4 into x. So again we put into 4 and x. Here 5y. 5 into y. Right? So 5 into y. That is the answer. Next one, Lm minus n divided by pq plus r. Listen, division is the main thing here. Which one? Lm minus n. So in this bracket, minus is the main operation. Subtract. Which one and which one? Lm. L into m. So again into L into m and n. So solve this bracket, means plus is main operation, plus which one and which one? PQ and R. PQ in multiplication. So multiplication P and Q, and here R. So that is the answer.
Fourth sum, convert tree diagram into algebraic expression. Listen, first one, tree diagram, P, main operation is plus. So P plus Q is the answer. Next one, answer. L minus M. L minus M. Next answer, main operation is minus. Which one and which one? A plus B and C. So A plus B and C. Next answer, main operation is minus. Minus which one and which one? A plus B and C plus D. So A plus B and C plus D. That is the answer. Next one, plus A divided by A, and listen here, B divided by 4 and 3. B divided by 4 and 3. Listen here, plus operation. Which one and which one? This term is a divided by a, and here multiplication. Which one and which one? b divided by 4 and 3. Sorry, this one is plus. That is the answer.
Here exercise 5.1 is over. So children practice well. I'll see you again in next exercise. Thank you.